Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will decode how to find out whether the given log will be greater than 1 or smaller than 1. Okay, and we have to crack down on another question that in under which scenarios the logarithmic value will be positive or negative. For that, I will use certain examples. So look at this. Suppose we have uh, log 8 base 2. I'll use the number 8 and 2 only. Okay. Log 2 8. Log 1 by 8 to log 1 by 2 8 log 2 log 8 1 by 2. Okay. Log 2 1 by 8. Okay. Log 1 by 2 1 by 8 log 1 by 8 1 by 2. Okay, I think this is enough to get the clear picture. So my point is, like, I'll place it here, and we will think what happens next. Look at this. So the point is, look at here. First we'll try to find out the value. So you know that under this scenario, this 8 will become 2 to the power 3, and you know that if anything is in the power of argument comes at coefficient, so it will become 3 times log 2 base 2 1. Here it will become 2 to the power minus 3, so minus 3 will come. Here it will come, what we will have, this denominator will, the base will look like what, 2 to the power minus 1, and the power of argument will come at coefficient, it will become minus of 3. Okay, then 2 to the power minus 1 will come at coefficient, 8 to the power minus 1 will come at coefficient, minus 1 has gone, so it is log 2 base 8, which will be 1 by 3. Okay, here it will be 1 by 3, here it will be minus of 1 by 3, here it will be 2 to the power minus, okay, here it will be again minus 1 by 3, here it will be 3. Okay, now look at this. If you will observe, first I will talk to greater than 1. So suppose that we have a number line, just observe, it's a number line, somewhere it will be 0, then you know that one number is important, 1, just forget the 0 and think about the 2 and 8. So you know that 2 will be after this, 8 will be after this. Okay, so wait, 2 8, suppose 8. Now this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes, we have 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is what? Half, means 0.5, and 1 by 8 is smaller than 1 by 2, correct na? So here 1 by 8. So these four numbers we guys have used. So look at this. I am talking about First I will crack down when the value of the log will be greater than 1. So look at this. So greater than 1 means what? You have to focus here, you have to focus here, you have to focus here, you have to focus here. Now look at the argument and base. So first thing, 8 2 same side, correct? Second case, 1 by 2 1 by 2 same side, okay? 2 and 8 same side, 1 by 8 1 by 2 same side, okay? So can I say that if argument and base are on the same side, the value of log will be positive? If argument and base are on same side of unity, the value of log will be positive. Is that okay? Just memorize the positive, remaining condition will become negative, okay? Now, so if so positive negative is done. Now this time I want to find out the value of the log, okay? We got positive negative. So question number 2 is done. Now we have to crack down when the value of the log will be greater than 1, correct? So look at this. First here, it is greater than 1, okay? So if it is greater than 1, look at here. You know that argument is 8, base is 2. So base, if suppose you are standing at 1 and you have to move towards this direction and you find base first and then argument, value is greater than 1. Look at this, look at here. Here if you will move in this direction, so base comes first, 1 by 2. So if base comes first, value will be greater than 1. Look at here, look at here. First it is greater than 1. So if it is greater than 1, argument and base should be on the both side, same side. But here it is on different side. So 100% it is negative. So in negative we don't have any problem. Here just observe. It is smaller than 1. So this means the argument will come first. Look at this. Argument comes first. We don't want argument to come first. We want base to come first. So in this case it is wrong. That's why it is smaller than 1. Here it is correct. 1 by 2 comes first if you are standing here, and then you will get the argument. So I'll write, always imagine yourself at unity. Now you have to move in one direction, okay? If base comes first, value of log will be greater than 1. Okay, I hope these two concepts are clear. The first concept was, if argument and base lies on the same side, the value of log will be positive. If you are you have to calculate whether the value of the log will be like greater than 1 or not. So you have to move in only one direction. Imagine yourself to be on the unity place, and if base comes first, then you will have a value of the log greater than 1. I hope the idea is clear. If we will deal with some more examples, your ideas will be like more crystal clear. So let's jump into the question section. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.